By using the method of long division, divide the following. For A, we have 1708 divided by 14. For B, we have 19,425 divided by 25. We take solution. For question A, in the division 1708 by 14, the number 1708 is the dividend, while 14 is the divisor. By making use of the method of long division, we are going to start by drawing this our division sign as such. Outside here, we are going to write the divisor, which is 14, and inside we are going to write the dividend, which is 1708, and above, this is where we are going to write the quotient. Now let's perform the division. In the number 1708, if we take the first two digits, we are going to form the number 17, which is greater than 14. 17 divided by 14 gives us a whole number of 1. We're going to write the whole number above here. We're interested only in the whole number. We don't need the remainder. 1 times 14 gives us 14. We have to subtract 14 from 17. Put the minus sign. 17 minus 14 gives us 3. We write 3 here. 3 is less than 14. We are going to bring down the digit 0 to form the number 30. 30 divided by 14 gives us a whole number part of 2. We write the 2 here. 2 times 14 gives us 28. We write down the 28. We have to subtract 28 from 30. 28 minus 30 gives us 2. 2 is less than 14. We are going to bring down the digit 8 to form the number 28, which is greater than 14. 28 divided by 14 gives us 2. 2 times 14 gives us 28. We subtract. 28 minus 28 gives us 0. When we reach 0, or when we reach a number which is less than the divisor, that means we have to end the division at that level. In this case, we have 0, 0, which is a remainder. Since the remainder is 0, it simply means the number 1708 is a multiple of 14, or 14 is a factor of 1708. We conclude, therefore, 1708 divided by 14 is equal to, we are going to copy the digits we have up here, and this gives us the number 122. We underline the answer. We go now to question B. For question B, we are going to repeat the same procedure. Draw the division sign. We send out the divisor, which is 25, and we send in the dividend, which is 19,425. If we take the first two digits, we are going to form the number 19, which is less than 25. We are going to attach the third digit, so we form the number 194, which is greater than 25. 194 divided by 25 gives us a whole number part of 7. Write 7 above. 7 times 25 gives us 175. We have to subtract 175 from 194. And this will give us 19. 19 is less than 25. We are going to bring down the digit 2 to form the number 192. 192 divided by 25 gives us the whole number part of 7. 7 times 25 gives us 175. We have to subtract 175 from 192, and this will give us 17. 17 is less than 25. We are going to bring down the digit 5 to form the number 175. 175 divided by 25 gives us 7. 7 times 25 gives us 175. 175 minus 175 gives us 0. Since the remainder is 0, it simply means 25 is a factor of 19,425. You can see the number 19,425 ends with 25. The last two digits of this number is 25. That means it is a multiple of 25. Remember our lessons on tests of divisibility of numbers. We conclude therefore 19,425 divided by 25 is simply equal to, we are going to copy the number above, which is the quotient, is equal to 777. We underline the answer. Answer is 777. This is how we divide any two numbers by making use of the method of long division. If in case you have any questions, drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.